So if you've just tuned into my channel, or you've just found it for whatever reason, maybe it's because of the Bike and Brew passport videos that I've done, welcome to the channel. I'm YorkshireBikerDan. One of the things that I'm wanting to do moving forward is, in a bid to help learner and new people or new bikers, to possibly impart some of my 30 plus years of riding to bikers out there, maybe offer a couple of hints and tips, or just pearls of wisdom that have been given to me over the years by people I've been out riding with who are more experienced than I am. Little things that I take with me when I ride that I can hopefully pass on to next generation of bikers and hopefully keep them safe and enjoying biking long into old age. But one of the things that I'm hoping to do moving forward, especially with my YouTube channel, is I'm wanting to look into how I can do live videos while I'm on the bike. Obviously there'll be no interaction from myself with anybody watching, because there's no way to really do that while I'm riding, as I need to be concentrating on what I'm doing. But the only way that you can do that at the minute with YouTube is you need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers to your channel. Now at the minute, at the point of doing these videos, I was on something like 418. Let's bullet this guy. I'm on something like 418 subscribers, so I'm still a way off getting to 1,000 subscribers before I can even start going live on my channel. How well it will actually work when we come to doing it is anybody's guess, but that's the intention. And what the idea is that at some point I will watch the videos back and listen to any questions that new bikers have out there. How do you do this? How do you do that? Any advice on doing X, Y and Z? And then the next time I go out, I can obviously answer those questions live while I'm out riding in real time. I don't know if there's any distance in doing it, to be fair, but it's an idea. It might work, it might not work, we will find out in time. But to be fair, 1,000 subscribers to any channel isn't a lot really. I'm not likely to become the next major influencer by doing something like that. But if anybody's watching this, if you could do me a massive favour please, hit that subscribe button down below and just help me get to 1,000 followers, 1,000 subscribers. I do try and offer these pearls of wisdom every now and then to new bikers. It's like with anything really, isn't it, that anybody new to anything always has loads of questions. How do you corner? How do you change gear? Where do you go? What to do? So that's the idea of me wanting to do that.